on special, and rather than just chucking a whole bird into the oven, we're going to portion them up so then we can get the same parts of the bird to make it easier for cooking times, and so they all fit easily in our fridge or freezer today. So you can see that there's two different types. Here we've got the pre-cut ones. Handy when you know exactly what's going to go into the bag, you know how much you're going to fill it. When you're not sure exactly what's going to go into each bag, you might be better off with the roll. With these, you can cut them, seal them as you go, so you're not going to have any wastage. All of these are food safe, and they're all BPA free. Now, BPA just means bisphenol A. Now, this is a product that was used in the 1950s. They put it into plastics like food containers and drink bottles and stuff, and it was really unhealthy. It would seep into our foods and into us. So not everything that's BPA free is food safe, but these are all both of those things. And the other difference between these two is that they're 100 microns. So if you're looking into sous vide or putting something into the freezer to make sure it's freezer safe, this is the way to go. Now breaking down 4 chickens, so simple, so easy, and we've got at least 4 to 6 meals in here. So we've even got some carcasses here that I'll make a stock with and we can use for a soup. This is the micro channel, 75 to 95 micron. This is good for just your everyday use. This is what I would use, just for chicken or everything at home. If you need something a little bit more heavy duty, something a bit tougher, you're gonna have a longer shelf life. Now this is embossed micro channel. Now you can see when you look at the plastic that the embossing on this one is you're going to have the longer shelf life and it's much tougher. Or if you're looking for sous vide, then this is the one that you're looking for. But we don't need that one today. Start with, I'm going to try and get 4 chicken breasts into 1 pack. How easy was that? There's 5 meals here. You got your marinated wings, a couple of breasts, thighs, and your legs. Next time you see your chicken or your salmon or anything on special, think about buying in bulk and vacuum packing it yourself and think about how much you're going to save.